Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and starting on the 1 hour chart for the intraday for Bitcoin to see what happened, what it might happen in the next few hours. So as you can see, of course, we are in a scenario A, of course, A, B, and a C towards the downside. Inside our wave C, we have several impulses here, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're looking for wave 3, 4, and a 5 potentially. This is what we are looking for today, as we mentioned in the daily. And of course, there is something like a little bit tricky today happened. Of course, as you can see, we saw a candle toward the upside, very impulsive as ABC or WXNY here for a wave 4, and even did not really touch the fib levels taken here from the wave 2. So basically, well, barely touched. And the time required as well for the wave 2 is exactly respected as double time. As you can see, this is the time in the blue box. Was really respected as 1-to-1 fib level, sorry, double time actually here. But this wave is very, very sharp and very fast and short, right? So if we take a look here at 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, now the price here as lengths match almost the same lengths for your wave 1, yeah, in price, which is very, very logic, right? If you have, because based on Elliott wave guidelines as well, your wave 5 might match the same price. But still, of course, as fib levels, not really touch, yeah? Preferably the fib levels take, of course, the 0.618 or the 1-to-1 fib level, yeah, inside this blue box, yeah, but not taken yet. If we dive deeper inside it 5-minute chart, you can see that this is an impulse towards the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But the question is, did we finish this wave 5, or are we still looking at wave 1, 2 of this wave 5? Yeah, so meaning, are we in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to hit the blue box? Potentially, of course, knowing that the price in length is the same, but preferably to touch the fib levels, yeah, as I always mention. Therefore, of course, the trick here to know if we see, of course, continuation toward the downside. Once we take the low, therefore, of course, we are heading toward the blue box here, and potentially the 1-to-1 fib level is a target, of course, for a lower wave 5 here, potentially. We're going to see how this is going to unfold. However, if on the 5-minute chart here, we see 5 waves toward the upside, kind of like this, 3 waves down, and then continuation, that means, of course, we are towards the wave 4, in the magenta here. Yeah, meaning the wave 4 might, of course, start to retrace toward the upside in a form of zigzag. It might, of course, come back to this area, especially that we didn't touch the 0.23 here for the previous wave 4. So definitely this wave 4 is gonna be kind of a sharp retracement, I would say, yeah. And then moving final wave for a wave 5, finishing wave 1 and then wave 2, and then, of course, continuation towards the downside. But potentially, of course, we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys, for the of course, yellow scenario, yeah. But we still have, of course, a double 1, 2 here. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. If this is finished, of course, then be careful. As explained, we might also see a move toward the upside. Very tricky right now. Of course, I mean, this is not the easy trade right now. Of course, it's not the easiest, especially you are in the middle and at the end of the impulse in the wave 4-5-4-5. So trade safe always, of course, in this phase of the market. Unless, of course, the easy trades come back once we finish this impulse. We're gonna see a wave 1 and then 2, of course, and then we start to think about an A, B, and a C, or a wave 1, 2, 3. So that will be much easier. But now, of course, be careful, trade safe as well. So these are the insight right now. If we take a look also at KGT, so on KGT, of course, we have a bullish signal, right? We have a bullish signal and a divergence. Yeah, so be careful with it. We have on the 5-minute here a bullish signal with a divergence, meaning a retracement is possible, right? It is possible right now. and might be, of course, after finishing this 1 2 3 4 5, possibly retracement for a wave 4 in the magenta as explained, and moving for higher later on. Yeah, so we have kind of a divergence here. Yeah. Until, of course, we get higher CVD, again, of course, a bearish signal convergence with this one, and then unfolding a wave 5, of course, in magenta. Yeah, so these are the scenarios now for a Bitcoin. Let's watch and see what's gonna happen. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.